When I die, you say you're not going to need anything. What do you mean by that? Last time I went to a funeral, we said, oh, sorry. When we finished, we ate chicken. And we licked our lips. We ate the jollof rice and the moi moi. We said, oh, my sheo. I went home and I opened up a nice cold bottle of water and I drank it. When I was done, I went to the toilet. And anytime you go to the toilet, you're going to need some toilet paper. Anytime you're thirsty, you're going to need a bottle of water. So, friend, you need to respect the fact that even if somebody close to you who's the source or resource dies, you're going to need chicken. And you're going to need to go to the toilet. If you're going to go to the toilet, you're going to have some toilet paper. And if you're going to go to the grocery shop to buy the toilet paper, you're going to need some money. And so, get a life insurance, sir, so that when you die, your wife is going to have maybe $1 million. So that her grief is not so bad whilst you're enjoying streets of gold. You hear what I'm saying to you? Otherwise, you died a wicked man, worse than an infidel. No inheritance to your children's children. And the insurer's gambling on you not dying early.